There's nothing like it. The sound of sizzling chicken. Stay tuned to find out what we're making with our chicken. Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. As you can see, we have a chicken recipe. I did my chicken, I'll show you that in a minute, but anyway, we're going to make breaded chicken with breaded zucchini and some tomato. It's going to be really good, it's really quick, so hang on, it's going to be delicious. Okay, so as you can see, there's my chicken I did, like you guys saw in the prelude. Here I've got my skillet ready to go again. I'll spray a little butter in there. Butter spray. Made another batch. This is all nice batch of my red lentil flour powder, whatever, and some Cajun mix and some salt and pepper in there. Got me some beat up egg. I've got here a couple rows, as you can see, of come on, where you at? Yeah, there you are. I put these have been soaking with some salt on them to get the excess liquid. As you can see, it's pretty still wet. That's why I got them paper towel. I'm going to pat them dry before I dip them. Here I sliced up some tomato. We're going to also bread that. And here I've got my homemade tomato sauce. We're going to be using that. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, I just take another paper towel and see the moisture coming through. I don't want these any wetter than they have to be because I'm trying to put breading on them and I don't want that really coming off. And like I said, the breading I'm using is the homemade flour that I made out of the lentils, red lentils. Hence the reddish color that's in there. Okay, so that being said, let me scoot you back here. Okay, so what we do, place a couple pieces of this on in the flour. If you notice, I did leave the skin on. I thought, well, why not? It'll be all right. And if you notice also, they're cut in different pieces. I was going to make some French fries first, but then I changed my mind. You know, prerogative of the chef to cook whatever. Okay, so we're going to bread those up a little bit. Just toss them, get them a little breaded, so that the flour has something. The egg has something to stick to. Hey. My grandfather used to say that all the time when he's wanting you to pay attention. You hear what I mean? Anyhow, so you shake that off, run it in the dip, shake off the excess, and boom. Dip it right back into the flour, and then into the hot pan. Here we go. Just so you guys can see this. We're going to let those brown up and get all nice and happy so we can finish making our dish. So anyhow, this shouldn't take too long. So what I'm going to do is finish frying these up. When we get ready to start the tomatoes, I'll bring you back over. Okay, guys, there you can see we're done with our zucchini. So let me put these on the plate, and we'll start the tomato. Okay, guys, sort of the same principle, same basic shot. We're going to butter this up. Bring you over here. So what we do, take your tomato, and these are Roma tomatoes, by the way, no big deal, you can use any kind you got. Okay, flour them up, flour them up. And then put them in the egg. This really, don't use your fingers too much if you can help it, because you get cement clubs at the end of the tip. Okay, so then we take that, as you can see, it's got some egg on it, We take that and put it right back into the flour. Take your dry fork. And I mixed this a little of this flour with some oregano. Okay, so we're going to do that. Bring you back over here. And these don't take long either. But this is pretty much the last leg of the journey. Because now we're going to shake off the excess. And right into the pot. So, when I get done with these, all we got to do then is pop it in the oven for a couple minutes to get everything nice and warm again, and we'll be on the way. Okay, I'm going to start flipping these over now. Yeah, they got a nice crunch. Oh yeah, babe. This is, what's his name used to say, a real cooking show, right? Wasn't that Admiral? Somebody. Yeah. But anyway, this is the last bit of major cooking we're going to do with this recipe because everything's done now. Pretty much, I'll show you when I get these done. We'll show you the chicken, the zucchini, the tomato, and then we'll put a couple plates together. And everybody's off to the races because it'll fill your little belly up. All right, we'll be back in a momento. Okay, guys, there you have it. My tomatoes are done. You guys are going to love this dish. Let's give us a like now and get it over with. Give me a like, share with your friends, and get ready to subscribe. Because this one is going to be over the top delicious. Now I'll bring you over here. Slide that up. And just out of the way. I'll show you what we're going to do. Just give me a little sprinkle time here. Okay. Okay, so there we have the tomatoes I just finished. Back here is the zucchini I got under here. There's more zucchini under this piece. Okay, don't worry about that though. Over here, we have the chicken. So now I'm going to put it together. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here on this pan. I'm going to just heat everything back up again. And what I want to do is I'm just going to do two at a time. This is going to be really good. Okay, so you get a little bit of you got the chicken on there, then you take a little bit of the tomato sauce. Now, you don't got to go crazy. Now, if you like a lot of sauce, go ahead. You are the master of your chicken, okay? I just like it to where you can just taste it. Penny's a sauce freak. She'll take some of what I got left here when we get done. She'll dump it on her plate and heat it up in a microwave. Now, trust me. But this is my homemade tomato sauce I made. I made a video on it too. Anyway, then we're going to get a couple of our zucchini strips. And I'll tell you, if you got too much zucchini, like I know I already do, it's okay. You can just take the zucchini and dip it in some sauce. It's going to taste delicious. Okay, then you take another piece here. Okay, another piece here. See that? Building a level here. And if you'll notice on each one, I put a little bit of sprinkle cheese. Okay. Let's give a little dab will do on each one of these babies. That's gonna put this one over the top right here. Oh boy, I cannot wait. This is gonna be something else. Like what? I don't know, but it's gonna be something else. Okay, and now we got that just about covered. Okay, come on off there, you. Okay, good. Now what we're going to put on there, I know, you guys already know, you're pretty quick. You're quick for the viewers that don't know what I'm making, okay? And then we're going to take 2 tomatoes per piece of chicken. And trying to get the right sized ones here. That'll fit nicely, snugly as it were. There you go. How's that, huh? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That was Chuck Berry said that. I forget the song. Oh, yeah. Swimming across Turtle Creek or something like that. My, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to put a little sauce on here. I'm going to tell you guys, we're done. Had to put a little top of cheese on here. And we're going right in the oven, 400 degrees until the cheese melts. That's all we're waiting on, just the cheese to melt. And I'm using provolone. I was going to use the no-fat cheese, but Penny said we need to finish this stuff up because you don't want to throw it away. So guess what? I'm using it. Got permission from the head shed. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, there you have it. Pop these in the oven and we'll be back when the cheese is melted. Okay, my friends, there you have it. Started to get golden around here, and I don't want to burn nothing, so it was a total of about 7 minutes in there. See, it's nice and golden here, nice here. So didn't want to mess nothing up. So let's plate this up and we'll see you at the taste test, huh? Okay, guys, there's the plate. We're heading to the table. Okay, my friends, hopefully this ain't too hot. Hope everybody can see me. This is going to be one heck of a delicious dish, I'm telling you. I already know. But, just in case, I don't know what to do here. I know this is going to be hot. Probably burn the roof of my mouth off, but hey, it's worth a shot. Mm. 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 We knocked that out of the park. Mm. That is delicious. I kid you not. Mm. One more little taste. Everything melded so nicely. This is boy. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is delicious. Mm-hmm. Mm. So if you liked the video, you stayed all the way to the end, give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, a little notification bell will pop down. You hit that, that'll notify you each time that we come up with another video. There's also a little arrow down button right below the video box there. You hit that, drop down box will come down and give you a link to my Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page, give you a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and give you a complete instruction and recipe of exactly how we did this. So until next time, my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, come back and we will give you another delicious, delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying we're out for now. Have a safe day and thanks for watching.